just babies. We're checking their little spines because they have lots of experience like the rest of us do, not quite as much life experience. We want to make sure their little spines are nice and free so their nervous systems can do what they need to do. Yeah. So I'm just checking his pelvis right now. I'm checking his sacrum and his ilium to kind of see the motion that's going on in there. A little stuck right on the right side here. So I'm just putting a gentle little pressure through the sacroiliac joint to kind of free that up. And babies just know how to do it. They know how to move into that. Good. Yeah. I've got a good release right there. So babies just don't need as much force as adults do because they just don't have all of the stuff that we have accumulated over time. So it doesn't take a lot to make big changes. And he's got a little tension pulling through his nervous system, so he's got a little bit of a protection thing going on, a little bit of sympathetic stress that we're just going to kind of ease by just giving him a little bit of traction. Stretch. Yeah. I'll usually respond really well to it. Usually feels really nice. I'm going to bring him up, check his thoracic spine. So I'm just kind of feeling all up along his the sides of his spine here, just checking for fixation and what we call subluxation, or places where there may be tension that's pulling on the nervous system and potentially interfering with his little developing nervous system and his life expression. So he's got a little fixation right there. We're just going to bring a little ease through there. Good job. Good job, baby. Okay. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera and come around this way. I'm upside down. I'm upside down. And then we check all the way up through the cervical spine as well. This is really important because this is where the brainstem sits. So we want to make sure that that connection from the brain and the rest of the body is nice and open and that there's not tension pulling through this part of his nervous system. So he's got a little subluxation fixation pulling through the upper cervical spine. So I'm just putting a slight little hold there. No big forces, no big motions, just a hold and letting his body kind of open up there as we traction just a little bit. So highly functioning nervous system, and when you bring freedom to their nervous system, their bodies can just do what they need to do in order to heal and thrive and be strong and happy. We got a big release on that one. That was really big. Good job. Good job. And Kaisan's a pro at this, huh? Yeah, he's a pro. He's a pro. He's a pro. And so again, just that little bit of sympathetic stress. He's got a little tightening that's pulling through this way, and that's really common if babies are having a hard time. Sometimes they get a little stressed, just like the rest of us. So I'm just going to bring a little traction through his spinal cord here just to let that ease up. Just like that.